Hey guys, recently I made a blistered tomato with an air fryer salmon. Oh my gosh, it was amazing, you guys. Well, I'm digressing a little bit. That is not the whole point of this video. The whole point of this video is to say these tomatoes were so good as I was eating them, I thought, wouldn't these be phenomenal on a flatbread, along with some olive oil, some mozzarella cheese, and bake it in the air fryer. Oh my gosh. So you guys, I made one last night and it was all that. So I had to come back to you this evening and show you all how to put it together, because after all, when you find something good, you just want to share it. Thank you guys so very much for being here. And now that you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please be honored doing so by pressing that subscribe button below. And if you enjoyed this video the way that I hope you will, please also give it a like and a share. So again, blistered tomatoes. I'm going to take these tomatoes, I'm going to cut them in half, and I am going to saute them on the stove top with some olive oil and some fresh herbs from my garden, you guys. I started a garden this year, and when I tell you, there is nothing like fresh herbs, aromatic, delicious, oh so good, along with some mozzarella cheese and a tortilla shell of choice. I've got a low carb one here and I've got a regular one here for my husband. So you guys, without further ado, gather up all your ingredients, come in close, and let's make these blistered tomatoes and mozzarella cheese flatbreads coming up next. Okay, everyone, so I've already taken my shells and cooked them in a skillet. I put a little avocado oil in the skillet and very simple, cooked them until they were brown on each side. All right, so I'm gonna set these aside and we're gonna get into cutting these tomatoes. So just gonna slice them in half, just as simple. And I don't know if you guys have seen this hack where you take the tomatoes and you sandwich them in between two lids and then you slice straight across. And yeah, okay, I've seen it, but tonight is not the night for me to try that. So if you tried it, please do leave it in the comments and let everyone know how it turned out for you. But I'm not really feeling that confident about that this evening. So I'm gonna do the traditional way and take a knife and just slice them in half. And you guys, they smell amazing. So fresh, which is exactly what you want, because this is a very simple recipe. So you definitely want fresh ingredients. All right, guys, and it was just that simple. So that did not take long at all. So put these back into my bowl. And at this point, we are ready to go over to the stove and start with blistering these tomatoes. So I will see you there. Okay, everyone, to our skillet, we are going to add a combination of some avocado oil, as well as some olive oil. So now to this, we are going to add our tomatoes. And put a lid on it, you guys, otherwise you will have oil all over the place. I'm going to set my timer for 2 minutes. And then when the 2 minutes is up, I am going to start layering in my flavors. Okay, guys, this timer is going to go off in about 30 seconds. But in the meantime, I just wanted to show you my herbs. Now, these are fresh herbs. You use a blend of your choosing. As a matter of fact, what you can do is you can use an Italian seasoning, which is basically a blend of all of these. I've got some basil here, oregano, rosemary, and thyme. And again, these are fresh out of my garden and I've dried them. So absolutely amazing as a flavor. Can't really tell you how much you use. You gauge it depending upon your taste. Okay, and there's our timer. Okay. See that color? They are starting to blister. They're starting to turn brown and release their natural juices. Okay, so I'm going to put this up here and leave this up here until I get my herbs together. Okay, and here we have it. And one thing that I learned when I watched some videos pertaining to drying herbs, they say do not crush them until you get ready to use them, so that way they will retain their flavor. So what I'm going to do is just simply take these and just rub them between my hands. And you guys, when I tell you the fragrance coming off of these is amazing. Oh my gosh. It's like the oils from your hand help to release the aroma of these herbs. And there we have it. Okay, let's sprinkle this on these. Gotta be very careful because you don't want them to burn. All right, perfect. And then to this, we're going to add some salt. And some pepper. And the last thing that we're going to add is some minced garlic. Okay. All right. Put the timer on for another 2 minutes. And then these will be ready. Okay, everyone. And these are our tomatoes. Get excited about it. Yes. Just want to smash them a little bit. And then we will be ready to move on to the next. And that is assembling our flatbread. Okay, everyone, time to put it all together. All right, set this here, make a little bit more room. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is just layer on these tomatoes. Spread them out. And we're gonna do exactly the same thing with this one. Okay. And this is done. And next we're gonna put some mozzarella cheese all over the top. And then we're gonna top it off with some olive oil. Okay, now for our cheese. As little or as much as you like. Remember, you're gonna make it your own kind of special. And that is the beauty about cooking at home, you guys. You make the rules. Okay, now for some olive oil. I love the combination of all these flavors together, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. And now these are ready for my air fryer. So I'm going to set it to what the manufacturer suggests. Keep them in for about 4 minutes, you guys. Should be ample time to melt this cheese. And you guys, it will be ready to serve. Okay, you guys. So this air fryer has preheated. And I know it's ready by the little beep. I am going to open the little drawer and put in a liner. As soon as I put this little handle down. There we go. All right. Okay. And in goes our pizza. 4 minutes and it will be ready. All right, you guys, it has been 3.5 minutes and I checked it and this is ready. Take a look at that, a thing of beauty. All right, so I'm gonna put the second one in and then we will be ready to serve. And here we have it. ready to serve. Quick, easy, and delicious. Lord, I thank you. Mm. So good. Absolutely delicious. Mm. We've got these fresh tomatoes along with these fresh herbs, and the flavors of it all just comes together so perfectly along with the olive oil. Then we got a flatbread, you guys. I told you there's like 101 ways to use a flatbread in a recipe, and this is yet another one. So simple. You spread these tomatoes on top, a little bit more olive oil, and that mozzarella cheese. Air fryer, few minutes, and you have got yourself a delicious appetizer or a light lunch or dinner, which is exactly what this is going to be for me, because in the refrigerator, you guys, don't tell, but I have got one of those low carb Snicker dessert cups waiting in there calling my name. If you've not yet seen that recipe, you guys, you gotta check it out. I'll leave the link to it in that card above, but that is phenomenal as well. So you guys, please do give it a try. When you do, let everybody know how you like it and then what you did to make it your own kind of special, because I know one of the things that I'm gonna do, I've got some red pepper flakes. I'm gonna sprinkle some of that on top, and I am going to sit down at the end of a long day and relax and enjoy this beautiful evening. Remember, you guys, it is a great day, and you continue to make it your own kind of special. And until we meet again, keep growing, keep thriving, keep pushing those boundaries, and I will see you all real soon on my next Fit 550, and enjoy.